Bears Hunt. Written by Shannon Bratton. Illustrated by Gabrielle Antonini.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
A bear goes on a hunt.
La 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 la.
Where are you going?
I'm going on a hunt.
Hunting? I want to go. I want to go.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Well, I want to go hunting too.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
The bear and the ant go on a hunt.
La 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 la.
Where are you going?
We're going on a hunt.
Hunting sounds good.
Hunting? Take me, please.
The bear, the ant, the bird, and the alligator go on a hunt.
La la la. I like hunting.
I'm tired.
I smell something good.
Follow me. Follow me. There is an apple. There is an apple. Oh my, such a big apple.
Apple?
The apple looks delicious. Oh, yes, I like apple.
They share the big apple.